Find out the author who said these famous quotes. Here are few definitions of poetry. Who defined poetry as metrical composition? Dr. Johnson. Who defined poetry as musical thought? Carlyle. Who defined poetry as the expression of imagination? Shelley. Poetry is the antithesis of science in that its immediate object is pleasure, not truth, said by Coleridge. Poetry is the breath and finer spirit of all knowledge, said by Wordsworth. Poetry is a criticism of life under the conditions fixed for such a criticism by the laws of poetic truth and poetic beauty, said by Arnold. Poetry is a rhythmic creation of beauty, said by Edgar Allan Poe. Great poets are judged by the frame of mind they induce, said by Emerson. Pathetic fallacy is a subjective way of dealing with nature, defined by Ruskin. My name is writ in water, John Keats. I have a smack of Hamlet myself, Coleridge. Nothing of him that doth fade, but doth suffer a sea change into something rich and strange. These lines from Ariel's song are inscribed upon the grave of the poet Shelley. For ever wilt thou love, and she be fair. Famous quote of Keats on Ode on Grecian urn. Life, like a dome of many-colored glass, stains the white radiance of eternity, until death trample it to fragments. Die. Shelley's Adonis. We laid asleep in body and become a living soul. This line occurs in Wordsworth's Tintern Abbey. Who called Shelley an ineffectual angel beating in the void his luminous wings in vain? Matthew Arnold. Essays of Elia is written by Charles Lamb. Essays of Ancient and Modern, T.S. Eliot. The Rape of the Lock, epic poem by Pope. The Rape of the Lucrece, a long poem by Shakespeare. The Way of the World, a comedy by William Congreve. The Way of All Flesh is a novel by Samuel Butler. The Prelude is a poem by William Wordsworth. Preludes, a poem by T.S. Eliot. Elizabethan Essays is a prose by T.S. Eliot. Elizabeth and Essex, a prose by Lytton Strachey. Everyman is a work by one of the best known morality plays. Everyman in His Humour is a satirical comedy by Ben Jonson. The Book of the Duchess is a poem by Chaucer. The Book of Martyrs, a story by John Fox. The Pilgrim's Progress is a work by John Bunyan. The Pilgrims of the Rhine is by Lytton. The Life and the Opinion of Tristram Shandy, a novel by Sterne. Tristram and Iseult is a work by Arnold. Lyrical Ballad is a collection of poems by Coleridge and Wordsworth. Preface to Lyrical Ballad is a prose by Wordsworth. All for Love is a blank verse tragedy by Dryden. Love, Labour, Lost is a drama by Shakespeare. A Portrait of the Artist is a Young Man is a novel by Joyce. A Portrait of the Dare, a novel by Francis Bret James. A Portrait of a Lady, a novel by Henry James. The Duchess of Dadna, a drama by Oscar Wilde. And Duchess of Malfi, tragedy by John Webster. A Tale of Two Cities, a novel by Dickens. A Tale of Manchester Life, a novel by Mrs. E. Gaskell. The Anatomy of Melancholy, a critic by Robert Burton. Anatomy of the World, a poem on Prince Henry written by Donne. The Battle of Books, a satire by Swift. The Battle of Maldon, Anglo-Saxon war poem. A Woman Killed with Kindness, a drama by Heywood. The Woman in the Moon, a play by Lilly. Ode on the Nativity is a poem by Milton. Ode on Duty, a poem by Wordsworth. The 100 Years' War was fought between England and France. The War of Roses was fought between the House of York and the House of Lancaster. The Rape of the Lock is a high society quarrel between Arabella Fermor and the Lord Peter. Spenser described Chaucer as a well of English undefiled. Charles Lamb called Spenser the poet's poet. Ruskin said Shakespeare has only heroines and no heroes. Johnson used the phrase Marlowe's mighty lines for Marlowe's blank verse. John Wycliffe is called the morning star of Reformation. List of authors and their pen names. Aldous Huxley, pen name is Autolycus. Samuel Simmons, pen name Mark Twain. Mary Ann Evans, George Eliot. Charles Lamb, Elia. Charles Dickens, Boz. Charles Bronte, Currer Bell. Emily Bronte, Alice Bell. Annie Bronte, Acton Bell. A Doll's House is a three-act play in prose by Henrik Ibsen. A House Tale is a novel by Mark Twain. A Tale of Tub is a satire by Jonathan Swift. Who said art is twice removed from reality? Plato. Who says poets are the fathers of lies and caterpillars of commonwealth? Stephen Gosson. Who said it is not rhyming and versing that make the poet, no more than a long gown maketh an advocate? Sidney. Who called Dryden as the father of English criticism? Dr. Johnson. Who called Hamlet an artistic failure? T.S. Eliot. Art for art's sake, said by G.B. Shah. Who considered Milton's Lycidas to be easy, vulgar, and therefore disgusting? Samuel Johnson. Child is the best philosopher, said by William Wordsworth. Who is called as the homespun philosopher? Robert Frost. The term New Historicism was coined by Stephen Greenwald. The term stream of consciousness was first used by William James.